welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to print 10 natural numbers in a reverse order. Means like this, 10, 9, 8, like this, dot up to 1. Because we all know natural number starts from 1. So we will be printing from 10 to 1. Okay. So first let me do by a while loop. Okay. I equals to 10 because reverse order starting from 10, so I equals to 10. Okay, while I less than equals to 1. Why 1? Because up to 1, so it's lesser than equals to 1. When it will be 0, it will be false, no value will come. Okay, that's why less than equals to 1. Now print I and next line I minus equals to 1, because it will decrement, the value will be decrement from 10, then 9, then 8, then 7, then 6 onwards. So let's print it. 3 from 10 to 1. Okay, now I will say I want it in the same line. That is also very easy. Just I comma end equals to, that's it. See, it's in the same line. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same line. Now you will say that I want to do it in a for loop. For loop is also very easy. For I in range, we will be using the range function. Remember this. So it's starting from 10. So first I will write here 10. Okay. Here I will write 0. Why 0? Because if I write 0, then it will be 1. Because I am going in the reverse order. Now here minus 1. Why minus 1? Why minus 1? Because it is decrementing by 9, 8, 7. So now see, we call 10, first value is 10. So 10 is the included value. And what about 0? 0 is the excluded value. So up to 1 it will take. Okay, 0 is the excluded value. We are doing a reverse order. Okay, so you are writing as 0. For that only 1 will be there. Okay, 1. And why we are writing minus 1? Because we want to go in the opposite direction, means a reverse order. 10, 9, the gap is 1. Minus, we are decreasing by 1. That's okay. Now just simple, print I comma end equals to, simple. Let's print. See, 10, 9, 7, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. See, okay, reverse order. You can do up to 100 also, that's not an issue. Let me show you up to 100. Let me show you up to 100. Okay, 100. See, it's perfect. Okay, it's perfectly done. So I think you have a good understanding about how to reverse a natural number. So by this we end this video. If you have any queries, just comment, I will answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.